Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you 2 ways that will help you take a screenshot on your iPhone. If you're interested in learning how it's done, let's get started. The first way to take a screenshot of the iPhone screen is classic. It is very simply. We hold down the volume add button and turning on a screenshot of the screen on Athos will be created, after which it will be saved to the gallery. The second method works on new iPhone models and will work when you double tap the back cover, although the second method needs to be configured. We go into the settings of your iPhone, we find the section Accessibility, then the Touch section, and go down to the very bottom to the back panel Touch section. Please note that it is possible to set the command to both 2-tap and 3-tap, but we will select a double tap and come to this section, select the screenshot item, after which you can go back and safely close the settings. After the iPhone setup is done, double tap the back cover and the screenshot will be ready. You can see the screenshots taken in the gallery. This is what the screenshots of the iPhone screen look like. Here are 2 ways you can take a screenshot of your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to support me by putting your finger up and subscribing to the channel. See you all soon. Bye.